Hello everyone, this is my workshop, full of scraps. There are many things I haven't finished. For example, this is a CNC machine, a project I started over a year ago and still not finished. Anyway, back to the main problem today. I turn on my cheap Chinese mini lathe and it stopped working. I don't know why, so I take it apart. Let's see the control board here. This is an AC to DC converter. You can see on the nameplate it is 800 watts SCR control board. The input is 200 to 240 volts and output is variable 0 to 180 volts DC. Stop working. So let's find out what happened. So the dim lit LED is next to the word power. I think it's the power for the control part of the board, not the main power to the motor. So let's measure it. There is only 2.58 volts supplied to the control part of the board. This is an LM324, a very common operational amplifier. Let's measure the voltage supplied to it. Oh, as you can see, it is only 3 volts, which is not enough for the operational amplifier to work. It requires from 5 to 30 volts. So I measure this resistor. It shows that 125.2 kilo ohms, which is definitely not right, because on the register you can see that it is 15 kilo ohms 10 watt resistor, and this register died. I don't even to cut this resistor out of its place because it is already broken. I just solder a new resistor here. Let's see it. In parallel to the old one, because the old one is broken, it does not have any effect. Now let's see. Let's plug in the power supply. Turn it on. It is working. Okay. So that is the problem. The power supply resistor broken, and I want to share this experience to owners of other cheap Chinese mini lathe. By the way, this is the first video I made for years. Please subscribe to support me, and I will make new video as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.